You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Maya Angelou.
Our ceramic program started years ago with just 6 wheels and a few students. The program has grown currently to over 100 potters. We are busting at the seams. Our current space is too small. We can only serve about 60% of the students who request to take the class. We have taken over closets and utility spaces just to be able to offer this opportunity from our students, which is a great problem to have, but a problem that we need to solve.
The pottery studio and just the ceramics class as a whole has truly enhanced my creative journey in the way of that it's created kind of a creative outlet in a standardized world.
The Central Academy Studio mission is to inspire passion in our high school students to observe, envision, engage, persist, and reflect on themselves as creators, innovators, and community members through the ceramic arts. This Renovate to Innovate initiative will expand that mission to include the greater Des Moines community as well. Central Academy is a nationally recognized program that provides additional services for our high school students in the Des Moines area. So by funding this program, you're not just funding one school, you're funding a program that can affect the lives of students from all area high schools, which is a pretty cool opportunity.
The Edna M. Dahl Studio at Central Academy is a unique teacher, student, and community-driven initiative. Once completed, it will enhance the lives of students and others in our community. This barren and unused section of this facility truly is that beginning lump of clay. And as clay transforms into a beautiful vessel at the nurturing hands of its artisan, this space can become a wellspring of innovation for the projected hundreds of students and community members it will eventually serve. We need your support.
The generosity and gracious partnership with the WT and Edna M. Dahl Trust has given us a tremendous start in achieving this dream. The gift from this trust has given us more than 60% of our funding needs. In this new studio, we will use the ceramic arts to teach students essential skills to be successful in life.
The big difference between this place working as a sanctuary and the rest is that like failure and mess ups, that's all encouraged here, and that's such like a good feeling.
Every time I fail, I know that I learned something new.
So like a master has failed more times than a beginner has even tried. And teaching kids real life skills, because a lot of times you hear in a class, when am I ever going to use this? But like in the pottery class, it's right there. Like,
what you see around me is the current level A of Central Academy, and we have already achieved conceptual design with slingshot architecture for this amazing space. Starting in June 2020, we will be building and renovating this space, and soon this will be the Edna M. Dahl Pottery Studio, open to many more students than we could previously support for pottery at Central Academy. We look forward to your contribution and help in making this a reality.
Like we're finding pots like historically that have been around forever, like ancient pots. So you're like being part of that legacy of potters who have created things millennia before you, and you're putting forth your work, which will last like long after you're gone. And that's something humbling.
With your support, this collaboration promises a future that will serve thousands, will be multi-generational, and host national artists. Thank you in advance for joining this legacy of creativity. Please become connected, become engaged.